Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Atha Rasya Farras from the class 1ITI with the student number 25410702016. And for today, I'm gonna do my operating system midterm exam. And there are a total of 4 texts, and for the first one I already made it, but my video earlier is corrupt, but I already make the structure, and today I'm gonna explain it just for the text one. First one, I'm gonna show the directory structure that I have created earlier. So this is the directory structure that I have been made, and let's start to the next step that I'm gonna show what inside the file. This for the configuration txt. This for the catatan txt, and last one this for the application log. So this file is contain configuration data nodes and also the log entries. So I'm gonna show the permission for this one. So the permission I use, the configuration file is set to 640 and the directory is 750. I'm gonna show the same link that I've been made for as you can see here, this is a symbolic link that I am pointing to the configuration file. And this is the backup archive file, and I'm gonna show what is the archive. And this, I verify the content of the archive without extracting it. And for this one, I already made the structure project of the directory and the configured files, and also I applied the permission and create a symbolic link and backup the data securely. And because of that, let's just start to the next text about shared folder theme and access save. Alright then. Alright then, for the first one, we're gonna make the directory structure first, and let me clear YT. As you can see, fine. I start by working on my home directory, and like the first one, I ensure the safety and avoid the modifying the system. But for the second one, we're in the task 2. So I'm gonna change into task 2. So I'll make the structure working directory including the configuration log and the backup folder. So it's easier this way to make for the backup and log. So first one, make the file. Alright. Next, I will make the configuration and log file required for this task. And let me make the file. Let's fill the file for the app configuration. Alright. Alright, this file is contain application configuration settings, and then we just out. Let's go to the next one. Same like the last time. Let me fill for the dbconf. So for this file, it's storage about database configuration, and then same as before. Alright, this file is record general server activities. Save, and then make for the error log. This file is contain error logs with the keyword of error. Alright then, let's make the permission. Change. typo I see. Alright. The typo is very disturbing. Can just make crash. Alright, last one. Change. Alright then. Let's check it. This one. Oh, I'm sorry. There's a typo I see. Typo again, sorry. Alright then, I set the permission to secure the configuration files and control access to the directory. And I'm gonna make permission explanation. Oh god. Alright then. Permission control read write and execute for files. Alright. Alright then. Let's save this one. So, this one I will explain the difference between file and directory permission in this file. And then let's make the symbolic link for them. Right. Alright, I'm already make the symbolic link request access to the application configuration. Alright. So I search for a configuration and log files using the find command. And let's just save the search command using this. Alright. And then let's Alright then, I save the search result into a text file. And let's just back up and archive this. Alright, let's check the archive. Torrent validity. Hold on, let's just check this. Alright then, I finally verified the archive contents without extracting it. So in conclusion, I successfully created a secure personal working directory, configured permission, create symbolic links, and perform file search and backup the important configuration files. And then, right then, I'm gonna take a little break from here. You can just skip for around 1 minute from here. Thank you. Alright then, let's start to the text number 3 about diagnosis process background. Anda sedang melakukan maintenance sistem, sebuah proses dijalankan, dipantau, dihentikan sementara, dilanjutkan kembali, dan diakhiri dengan benar. Setelah itu Anda diminta membandingkan proses dua CPU bound. Alright then, let's get started. So let's clear. First one, let's just make sleep 400. I start the processing using the sleep command, and then Control Z. I suspend the processing using the Control Z, and I'm gonna check the active job for this, but it's already stopped, and then just move into the background. Right then. So I will verify that sleep process running using the grab sleep. Alright, sleep. And then I'm gonna bring the process into the foreground, and then I'm gonna stop it using controls. I termine the process safely. That's for the A question, and this for the B one. So right. I'm gonna start to process of CPU 1970-1971. I will run the process with different priority using the nice one. Nice command. Nice. Oh yeah, it's a little bit delayed. Yep, a little bit laggy in here. We'll check in the top. Yes, you can see here. I observe the priority difference from the NI column. Alright. Alright. We'll change into nice 5 PID. Good. I change the priority of a running process using the nice. Alright then. I will safely kill all the test processes. Alright, we already kill off of them. Now to the C. Oh yeah, my rata is better than before now. Earlier is a little bit laggy. It's fine. So Midterm is used to determine a process safely. Kill, in other way, force you to immediate termination without a clear. So the next is used to start a process with a specific priority, and nice is used to change the priority of a running process. So I create a summary for the explaining a signal and process priority. Alright, then that is for the text number C. Save it, enter X. Alright. I will take another break. Thank you for the 1 minute. Alright then, let's start to the text number 4 about toolkit based and interactive and safe archive. So first one, I'm gonna make this file same as before. Docs backup ruang nama and a sample. And we're gonna make a file, just an example, for an example. Sample for the catatan. Then touch cannot touch. I'm just gonna back up the bus RC. Alright, and honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just gonna try my best to understand this thing. Alright. So I'm just gonna do the wild card. Compress. Alright, maybe for the last test, I am not really that know how to do that. I think I'm erroring. So for the last one, yeah, I can only do the reflection one. Alright, the part is important to filter many files with some so we can move from choosing file and choosing and coding, you know that. And space or character using quoting first can make some file to some archive. This because no. Alright then, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm very sorry if I have any wrong explanation.